Yeah, let's go Waterfall. I'm going to try and climb up it. See what's above. Pretty sick, nice flow. Alright, the next level up close. I think we're going to turn back. We've started this pretty late. I've already done another feet this morning, so we have to come back and revisit. He didn't just found it. There we are, the corner. It's pretty sick. Look at over there. What we found. Found this crazy. Here we have a junction. There's a trib flowing in, so that's pretty cool. So it might be worth for explore another day. Today we are in the sunny coast hinterland in Pinbarren, and we're going to be sussing out some tributaries of Pinbarren Creek. Joined today with Edan Raw, and we're going to find a little way down into this gully down here, and it's the Bovan Ballan, I believe it is, Nature Refuge. But anyway, see what we find, eh? Alright, so we're on Pinbarren on the tributary. We're going upstream. See what we get. Just found so we've got a trip on our left that we might go up first, but just to show you what's on the main creek here. Nice little spot. It's a bit dirty water, but it's nice, cool, and a little cascade. Let's go explore up here. Alright, so we're on our trib. This is our first little cascade, and then right there in the distance we see another little one, and then we see a nice piece of got waterfall. So let's get up and see. Yeah, let's go Waterfall. We're going to try and climb up it. See what's above. Pretty sick, nice flow. There we go, another cascade, another nice waterfall. Sick. Waterfall. Okay. Alright, another little cascade, and a little bit greater in here. Well, here's the next bit of the cascade. It winds around this side, so it's a bit hard to get it down there, so I've got to climb around the side, and I would have missed it if I didn't film it from the top here. So I think we've got a big one coming up in this next bend. We're going to find out. Alright, it's the top of this cascade. That's the wall I just climbed around. See two more, and we've got a corner. There we are, the corner. It's pretty sick. Look at over there. It looks like there's another S-bend before the next drop. So alright, this is the next tier of this section we're on, kind of broken into three bits. My first two little leeches on me, just pulled them off, obviously. Alright, let's get up in this corner. Edan's back taking some mad photography shots, so I'm just going to explore a little bit above and just find out what's up here. Alright, so here we have a junction. There's a trib flowing in, so that's pretty cool. So it might be worth for explore another day. Just a little bit of vines at the start, but I think it clears out. We're going to stick to our left, obviously. Right, so we're almost in Woondum Nationalpark, so that's actually there's a boundary coming up in a minute, so half this is Nature Refuge and then turns into National Park, so that's pretty interesting. So right above the junction, a little cascade, another awesome fall. This is grouse. Out it all, eh? Now let's get on top and see what we got again. What level we found. Just found these crazy veins of quartz running through here, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty blocking this cascade. This is our next level. It's pretty cool, and it's curving, and the whole walls just seem to be seeping down. Edan's doing the climb up the rock here. Another cascade. Another awesome one. Nice two flows, cascade. Alright, some more cascades here, boom, 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 and got like a good one coming up with a pool there. That's pretty cool. Onward. Now I have a plan, maybe I'm going to loop up to this track on top and then we'll loop out via the Noosa Trail walk. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, another cool cascade. These little pools in between. Awesome. Another cascade, one above. A bit of corner. Trib blowing on the right here, which will be another day's adventure. I'll come back and do these two together. There's another main one we got in front of us. I can see two more good levels coming up. One really big one in the distance, it looks like. Cascade. Another two good ones coming up. This is what I said before, so let's get at that. See that close cascade. It's really pretty. Alright, the next level up close. I think we're going to turn back. We've started this pretty late. I've already done another feet this morning, so I'm going to have to come back and revisit this, go a bit further. We'll check out the tribs and stuff. So yeah, to be continued. It looks like up to the right would be the easy way. It is a bit of a mission to get around that, but yeah. So yeah, catch you the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Part 2 coming. Boom. Peace out.